freaking coffin.
When I open them again, I know exactly who I am, where and when.
Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Mama and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am opening some things that have been sent to me by my friends Purple Jane and Mumma Goth for my birthday. Exciting! But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, it is my birthday on Sunday. I am extremely excited. I do like birthdays. Obviously, everybody's having a lockdown birthday this year. It's a bit weird, but you know, it's okay. It's fine. We're taking the children to the zoo. That'll be exciting. I've already booked the tickets because you have to book them in advance. So, yay, exciting. But my lovely, lovely friends, Jane and Jules, have sent me presents and I'm so excited. I have to admit, the one from Jane, I wasn't sure who it was from, and I am waiting for something else coming from another company and they're very artistic, so I wasn't quite sure if it was from that person or Jane, so I had to open it quickly and then go, no, 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 don't look. So we'll start with the thing that Jane sent me. So Jane has sent me this beautiful envelope. She's used one of the Killstar envelopes and customised it as she always does. If you don't know Jane, where have you been? Jane Wilkes has an amazing YouTube channel where she does so much customisation, art stuff. She just makes really cool things. She is such a lovely person. She's so funny. She is gorgeous. She has the best fashion sense, and that woman knows how to put together a goth outfit out of nothing. She is phenomenal. Love Jane so much. She's such a wealth of knowledge on makeup as well. Jeezy creasy. Go check out her channel. I will put a link at the end of the video to her channel. Go and check her out. She's an awesome, awesome, awesome person. Absolutely adore her and her content is fabulous. So, she sent me this. I'm excited to see what's in it. So, it says, oh, there's something in it. Wishing you one L of a birthday. My name's Lolly, or Laura, so I am L. Hi Lolly, I have made you a bracelet and popped in a couple of things for the children. Aww, lots of love from Jane. Yeah, I literally just snuck it in and went, no, no, it doesn't say who it's from, but it doesn't say that it's from the other company, so stuck it back in. So yay, thank you Jane, look. Happy birthday. So, let's see what she's made. Let's see what she's made. Honestly, some of her tutorials on how she customises. She's got these amazing shoes that she's customised, made them look like they've got a graveyard in them. They're fantastic. Ooh, what have we got here? Ooh. Oh, I love it. So she's made like little trinkets for the children. So she's covered a button in some skull material and oh, that's so cute. She's made like a, hang on, I'll take them out. So this is the button. So this is blatantly for my son. So he loves a skull almost as much as his mummy. He's got so many skull t-shirts and stuff. And then this is blatantly for my daughter because it's like a goth snowflake, which she is going to absolutely love. She's not even met the children and she knows them far too well. They're both going to love these. Thanks, Jane. Oh, and let's have a look. What's this? Oh, cool. Okay, I see. You go round lots. Right, right. Okay. Oh, look how cute that is. That's so cute. You could wear this as a necklace or a bracelet. Look. Necklace. Ooh, with a caftan. Fabulous. Yeah, layered necklaces. Or you can go around lots and lots around your wrist. Oh, I like these. These remind me of those like 90s bangly bracelets. Oh, that's really cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Haha, awesome. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Jane. That's so thoughtful. I love the fact she's made everything as well. She's so talented. Like I said, go check her out. And then this morning, this behemoth arrived. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. But look at even the lettering on that is beautiful. And then look, so I'm assuming that I am getting some Monster Mash tea. So, right, this is from Jules. Because this came attached to it. Again, I had to open it because I was like, what is it? You know, who sent me stuff? this card. Oh, this card. Look at how cool this card is. I hope your birthday is delicious. And she knows how much I love food. To the beautiful Lolly, I hope you have the most fabulous birthday. I love you so much, Jules. And then she's put that, P.S. your present has been sent separately, so if you get a random parcel, you might want to get your camera out. No, they put it all together. It's awesome. This is by Doom Cat Prints, which I am definitely going to check out. In fact, I'm going to put some stuff here that shows you some of the other stuff that they do, because this is awesome. So I'm sure this is not the only awesome thing on their website, but I'm definitely going to go and check out Doom Cat. So watch this space, you never know. Might be buying some more stuff from them, because that's flipping awesome. So, right, so let's see. What is in the behemoth of the box? Right. Oh, big bubble wrap. My kids will love this. Well, actually, no, I might keep this for the caravan. How sad is it that I keep going, oh no, that would be really handy in the caravan. Oh, it's a coffin. It's a freaking coffin. Oh my God, Jules, I love you. Oh my God. I went on their website very quickly just to see what, you know, what is Monster Mash Teas, and then I was like, don't look, you'll give it away, whatever, you know, you might give away what you've got. So I literally just went, yep, no, they are a tea company. To the beautiful Lolly, I hope you have the most wonderful birthday. Lots of love from Jules. Love you, Jules. Oh, it's so annoying that we're supposed to go and see each other in March. I was supposed to go and see her for her birthday. And then I was going to like bake her a cake and blah, 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 blah. And yeah, it never happened because her birthday was like the day lockdown happened. So yeah, really sucks. I miss my bestie. Right. And there's no London Edge this September, so it's not like I can even see her then. So I think we're going to try and organise our own little meet up if we can, because I need to see my friends. So, look at this thing. Oh my God. I don't know which way up to open it. Oh my God, I think this way. Monster Mash Teas. Oh my God, this is so cool. Right, hang on. So, there you are. Look, Monster Mash Teas. It's even red inside. Oh my God. This is going to get used for everything. Oh wow. Oh, that's a shame. I think some of the... Oh, look. Okay, so... there's skull-shaped sugar lumps. Look at that! It's a freaking skull! I love it. I love it. Oh, I think they've come out of their packet. A skull teaspoon. Yay! We've got one of these that we use to, because me and Scott drink loose leaf tea, mostly at home. And yeah, we use these to just stir it because it's kind of pointless for sugar or, you know, weighing out tea or anything, but it's perfect for just stirring a cup of tea. So, oh yay, now we've got two, because I never want to put it in the wash because it's beautiful. So, oh cool. Ah, here we go. So this was what the sugar lumps were in. Awesome. There we are. Yep, so look, there's 4 sugar lumps. Oh, that's so cool. I don't take sugar in my tea personally, but I think Scott does, although he may never be allowed to touch them. I may be like, no, I'm using them in some dessert or other. What's this for? Oh, it's for the spoon. I see. That's so cool. Look, it's got its own little... Oh, love it. What have we got here? Dorian Grey. Ooh, Earl Grey. Ooh. Relax and stay youthful forever with our blend of Sri Lankan black tea, indulgently scented with bergamot and orange blossom. Bergamot and orange blossom are probably my 2 favourite essential oils when I worked at the perfume factory. I used to love it when I had a perfume that had lots of those in, because they just smell so fresh and delicious. A lot of the other smells you like them to begin with, and then after a while you can't stand them anymore. There's so many smells that I loved when I started there and I can't bear now because I just got totally overwhelmed. But bergamot and orange, oh, love those fragrances. I'm never tired of the citruses. Love. Oh, what's in it? Ingredients: black tea, cornflower petals, bergamot oil and orange blossoms. Ooh, I might have to spoon some of these out later for you and show you me making a delicious cup of tea, because I want to see what this tea looks like. Right, so what else is in here? Oh, what's this? Oh wow! Oh wow, it's a little skull cheese strainer. Oh my God, that's so cool. Ah, you see, because we didn't buy these. I saw these when we were buying our tea strainers for our normal black tea. And I didn't buy these because the black tea that you buy from the supermarket, like the, you know, essential range black loose tea, would just come out of here because it, I mean, it looks like really finely shredded tobacco, basically. It's really finely shredded. Basically, if you open a tea bag, that's what's inside normal loose leaf tea. But when you buy posh loose leaf tea like this, it's lovely long thick strands, so they will go brilliantly in that. Oh, it's going to be brown, but then it will look like a proper old school skeleton. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, it's even got little teeth. Look, little teeth, little teeth. Oh my god, is this a dried zombie's brains? Oh, look at this tea caddy. Oh wow, I love it. That is so cool. And there's, oh yeah, and there's the little leaflet for the sugar skull cubes. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Jules. It's so thoughtful because I love tea. I absolutely love tea. I am so British, it's not funny. So yeah, I need to go and make some tea now. So yeah, you can come and join me in a sec and we'll go make some tea. So we are in my kitchen. We're going to make some tea. We have all these lovely things. We have my Heavy Metal Mumma mug. Every girl needs her own personalised mug. And we have this amazing box of tricks. So I'm going to pop that there. We've got the Dorian Gray Earl Grey, which I'm really excited about, and some skizzers. So let's have a look. Ooh! Oh my god, that smells amazing. Mmm. I can put some in the tea caddy. We have one skull spoon, Dorian Gray. There we are. Yeah, it's got all these beautiful blue flecks in. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it smells amazing. So, take a spoonful of that. Put it in the skull's head. There's already been an argument about what he's going to be called. Dev liked Bob. Taryn thought it should be a girl's name or gender neutral. No decision has been made as yet, so I'll let you know. At the moment though, preliminarily we're going to call him Bob. So here is Bob. Bob goes in the teacup. And pour on the water. Dipping Bob. Oh. And look, they're buddies. This one can now have a decent wash. So, let's see what it's like with milk. Oh, actually, it brings out the flavours more, weirdly. Oh, that's nice. Because sometimes Earl Grey can taste like somebody poured a load of perfume into a cup of tea. That is just delicious. Oh, lovely, lovely. That's a nice summery cup of tea. Lovely, lovely. Well, cheers, Jules. Thanks very much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Jane, for this. This is flipping awesome. The kids are going to absolutely love their badges. And thank you, Jules. This is so me. It's so, yeah, I love it. It's one of those things that I didn't even know that I wanted, but I definitely wanted all of it so much. It's so cool. Monster Mash Teas, look, that is their logo. I am definitely going to be going and checking out their website and probably buying quite a lot of tea because I'm a bit obsessed, just a little bit. But that's being British, we drink a lot of tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And yes, I can't wait to see you for the next video, although I will be a year older and I'm not looking forward to that at all. But yeah, but never mind, Now, in fact, I'm always 21. I've just got lots of experience at it now. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to hit that like button. It really, really helps the channel, as does subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so that you can find out whenever I upload. And remember, people, stay heavy.